Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have Sephora Play. Sephora Play is a monthly box from Sephora. And it is a $10 box and you just sign up on their website, they send it to you directly, and you generally get 5, sometimes 6 tiny samples. They tend to come with some of the better products that Sephora carries in them, which is what I like about it, because I do love to go and hang out at Sephora and buy new things, and I'm always happy if I have tried what I'm buying because of my sensitive skin or my pale skin or any one of a myriad of reasons. Let's get in the box and see what I've got. I've already cut through the tape, so we could just open it right up, and it's show off and share using hashtag Sephora Play. And right on top we have the little pamphlet piece of paper that we get that will tell us on the inside everything that we have received in this box. Plus we get our extra 50 beauty insider points, where if you online purchase or go to the store, if you put the code in for this, you get 50 extra beauty insider points. The downside to using it online, usually if you use this, you can't get one of the deluxe samples or something else they might have sent you. It's only one promotion and they consider this a promotion. Food for thought. Ooh, we have a blue bag this month. That's pretty. I still don't use them, but I wish that I did. And let's just take it out and dig right in and see what we've got. Okay, let's open up our pamphlet and see what they're talking about. I call it a pamphlet, but it's a single sheet of paper. And it says, press play. There are some hits in the lineup this month. Check out the trending beauty shows that are seriously binge-worthy. So they're pretending like these are TV shows, I guess. Saturday Night Eyes, How to Lose a Mini Lipstick in 10 Days, Hoarders, Trial Size Sample Edition. The struggle is real. The Return of Play Bay. So the backside then tells us everything that's in it. So we'll set it over here. All right, let's reach right in and see what I've got. First out of the bag, I have Monsieur Big by Lancome. I have been wanting to try this mascara. It says that it's up to 24-hour wear, wash your face at night, and 12 times more volume. That was your mother speaking. And it is in 01, Big is the New Black. I am so happy to have this. It's teeny, and I don't think I've received it before. And I've been wanting to try it. And that is what it looks like. Let's see what the paperwork says. Lancome Monsieur Big Mascara in Classic Black. This ultra creamy, high volume mascara delivers bold lashes for up to 24 hours. That's applause-worthy beauty. It says this is an award-winning mascara. It does not, however, tell me what award it won. I'm going to use this soon, so let's see what the brush looks like in here. Oh, it's a nice brush. It's just a big, fluffy brush. It's not like an hourglass. I know everybody loves the Better Than Sex, and I do too, and so many of the brushes that are out now are the hourglass, and I have such a hard time not making a mess on the lid of my eyes. Please tell me below if you struggle with that too. Am I the only one? Okay, let's reach in and see what we have next. Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask, and this is 1 fluid ounce. I have had so many of the other products in this line, but I don't think I have ever tried the mask. So I'm kind of excited to try that. Let's see what this says. Formulated with naturally derived ingredients, this mask visibly restores essential hydration and helps strengthen strands. A true hair hero story. I can always use help strengthening my strands. And it says after you shampoo, you put this in and you leave it for 10 minutes and you can use it twice a week. I will definitely use this. Let's see what it smells like if it's open. It's not, but we can open it. Let's just put a lid. Oh, it's thick, but it's not as thick as, some hair masks. This just feels like a conditioner. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like the Briogeo line. It's just a true kind of bougie hair scent. I love it. Especially with fall and winter coming, I cannot wait to try this. Let's see what's next. I have the Belief, the True Cream Moisturizing Balm. And this is 0.33 fluid ounces, and it looks like this. I am not even going to open this because I have sampled this several times, so I will set it aside for another use another day. The Intensely Moisturizing Balm is an action-packed cream that leaves skin smooth, supple, and nurtured for 26 hours. refer you back to the earlier wash your face at night. And it says that this is exclusive, I guess, to Sephora. So that's good to know. Let's reach in and see what we've got next. I have, oh, Viktor and Rolf Magic Sage Spell. I have dropped everything I've touched. I'm going to assume that to this point I've edited it out. I'm dropping everything today. This is what that looks like. And let's get in here and spray it and see what it smells like. Ooh, it's pretty on the inside. Viktor and Rolf Magic, and it has the spell. Let's see. Spell, it's a good time. It's almost October, so it's perfect. Oh, just put it right out there. Here's hoping I like it. Oh, it's very nice. I'm going to say this in hopes that if any of you wear it, you're not offended. Oh, I was going to say initially it smelled like a men's cologne, but it is drying down and I can actually smell the sage in it. This is what the little bottle looks like if there's a chance that that can be seen. It smells, I'm going to use the word Christmassy. It's kind of got that sagey smell to it, but not like Thanksgiving turkey sage, but just a green, almost fir sage. Let's see if this gives us any help. Thrilling and a little addictive, this earthy scent is the one you'll come back to time after time. Fragrance family, earthy and woody. Check. Top note, pink grapefruit. I don't get it, but that doesn't mean it's not there. The middle note is sage. I definitely get that. And the bottom note is green tea leaf. And it does have a little bit of brightness that I would not attribute to the grapefruit. I kind of like it. I've gone from, oh, maybe on my husband too. Yeah, I would wear that. Let's see what's next. I have a Gimme Brow. I have 1,000 Gimme Brows. That's not true. I have several Gimme Brow. But this, I believe, yeah, it says Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel. Is this new? It's Neutral Deep Brown. Deep brown. My daughter will love this. This is what it looks like. And it's one of the ones they send out that's just like the big ones, but it's tiny and they're so cute. They're just so cute. Let's read about it. Because I think this might be new. Because I don't think it used to be volumizing, did it? Am I making that up in my head? Gimme Brow and Volumizing Eyebrow Gel in 4.5. Get brows that steal the spotlight with this volumizing gel. It uses tiny microfibers that adhere to hairs and skin for a mess-free application. I don't feel like the one I used had hairs. Let me know below. Is this new or is it just a completely separate one that I've actually never sampled before? And underneath it says, chosen for your hair color. Well, I mean, that's true in as much as I have recently dyed my hair a much darker color, but when I filled out whatever I probably filled out with that, I would have said very light brown. It's okay. Last but not least, I have a Hello Fab Pores Be Gone Matte Primer with Fig Extract, safe for sensitive skin. And this is 0.34 ounces. And looks like that. Let's see what this says. This is a Sephora exclusive. This makeup gripping primer blurs the appearance of pores. Plus, it's non-comedogenic, so there are no breakout performances. Oh, breakout performance. Okay, so that is my Sephora box for this month. So like I said, usually good products and things you want to try in tiny, tiny packages. So we received the Manger Big, which is Manger Petit. We received the Aqua Balm, the Belief Moisturizing Balm, not the Aqua Balm. The Gimme Brow in its little, how cute. The Briogeo, which is our biggest, and it is a full ounce. The Fab is the matte primer, and the Viktor and Rolf Magic Sage Spell, which if you're not careful might grow on you. I kind of like it now. I'll probably try that as we get into fall. I am happy with this. I will try the hair for sure, the Manger Big. I like the perfume. I will set this aside, perhaps for a giveaway. My daughter will love this, and I will also set this aside because I have 8 million primers that I am using and loving. And there's no, oh, it's open, so I can't do it for a giveaway. So I'll see if my daughter likes that. So thanks for coming by, guys. Although the samples are little, I just really like the Sephora box because I like trying the brands that they carry at Sephora. It's where I shop. It's what I purchase. So, like, I can't wait to try this Briogeo mask and the Mange Big. I am using the Thrive mascara that we got Ipsy Plus. Don't hold me to it. And I like it. And I'm sure I'll cover this someday in a faves and fails. But I like it, but it's the kind that coats your lashes in the tubes. So when you wash your face, it comes off in like tube chunks. It's kind of interesting. I digress. Have a great day, guys. Thanks for coming. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And I'll see you really soon. Bye, guys.